Hey, this is Sam here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you, with Christmas coming, that you can actually reheat your favourite Yorkshire puddings in the air fryer. Imagine you're making your own, or they can be fresh shop bought ones, and you've made them, and then let's say you've just got one air fryer and you're juggling it, and your Yorkshire puddings have gone cold and you just want to warm them up and make them lovely and crispy in the air fryer before serving up your roast dinner. So let me just show you just how easy this is. I've got two Yorkshires here. These are actually shop bought ones from M&S. And I've just done them as part of doing an M&S roast dinner, and I had a couple spare, and I thought to myself, the amount of times I get asked about reheating Yorkshires in the air fryer, especially with us being from Yorkshire ourselves, so I thought I'd just quickly show you because it takes 2 minutes. So this is the air fryer I'm using. I've literally just finished doing a roast dinner, but it's had a chance to cool down so that I can give you the temperature. You can use a smaller air fryer. I've just been using this one for the roast dinner, so it just seems appropriate to put this one back on. So 2 Yorkshires in, and then you're looking for air fry, 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, 2 minutes, mega zone, and then press start. And remember, these are bigger Yorkshire puddings, so if you've got the smaller Aunt Bessie sized ones, then I would probably suggest 2 minutes at 160 instead, so you're not actually making them too crispy, because otherwise they'll end up overdone. So we'll be back in 2. Now that the air fryer is on, let me talk to you about the Christmas air fryer plan. It's a free ebook that we've created for you, and it shares with you 25 popular Christmas recipes for the air fryer, as well as grocery lists, how to have a stress-free Christmas, and 25 of the best ever air fryer Christmas recipes. If you head over to RecipeThis.com and search Christmas, you can get the full details. And now, let's get back to that air fryer. So the Yorkshires have done the 2 minutes, they're on the cool down. I'm going to interrupt it because it's, I'll overcook them. And then let's have a look. Oh yes, crispy Yorkshire puddings. Oh, look at them beauties. Are you like me and love a Yorkshire? Oh, they look fantastic. And just a great quick way to reheat Yorkshire puddings at Christmas. Oh my God. M&S Yorkshire puddings are absolutely amazing. You got to try them in the air fryer, or of course your own homemade ones, or you can make our homemade ones from our first cookbook, the complete air fryer cookbook. Whatever's easiest for you and what you prefer this Christmas. And a Merry Christmas from Sam and Dawn. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Every Day yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the complete air fryer cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what are you waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to RecipeThis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.